Sometimes finding the perfect trailer is impossible unless you combine two different types of trailers. In this video, I'll show you how to swap the parts of a DCP grain trailer and DCP belt trailer. First, we begin by removing the tarp hooks with a needle nose plier by twisting and pulling. The tarp peels off easily. 3 screws hold the triaxle assembly in place. Lift away and store. The landing gear is held into place with 1 screw. Three screws hold the kingpin assembly in place. Remove those and set aside. The mud flaps and rear cover can be easily removed by prying between the diecast and plastic with a knife. 2 screws hold the triaxle housing inside the diecast. Remove those and set aside. The hopper assembly slides out of the diecast frame by pressing from the inside out gently. Be aware a few tarp bows may fall out in the process. Save all these parts. This concludes how you disassemble a DCP triaxle hopper trailer.